Hey friends, it's me, Tricka of trickaplans. Hope everyone is doing okay today. I have the Simply Gilded Desert Dance Volume 18 subscription box, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I didn't open anything. I'm excited. I just received it in the mail. So if you are interested in seeing what I have in the Simply Gilded box, then just keep on watching. Okay, for those of you who are new, I appreciate you stopping by my little channel. And those of you who has been rocking with me for a little while, it's greatly appreciated. I love each and every one of you guys. And send some friends over and let them know about my little channel. But today, we're going to get into this Simply Gilded subscription box. This is the April 2019 box. And in this box, it comes with the foiled journaling card, designer washi tapes, a lined canvas pouch, engraved gel ink pen, adhesive pocket set, cactus sticky notepad, mini deco stickers, and 2 deluxe sticker sheets. So let's move that to the side. And I have the add-ons to my subscription box, and here is these pretty pastels, and I love that rose gold, and these have the rose gold foiling. I love the blue, the yellow, the pink, and the rose gold. And check this pen out, you guys. This pen is absolutely stunning. I don't have a royal blue pen, so this is a first, and it has the stars and the half moons on it. And you know, I'm into that type of thing. I love those type of items. Oh, okay. So this is the canvas pouch that it came with. It's lavender, rose gold, blue. It has the pink, and it has a little bit of, I think that's kind of cream, and it's lined. It's a Simply Gilded pouch. So we have here, first up is 1 row of washi. This is a floral print. Then we have the moons and the stars, which is another print. Then we have, oh, this is so pretty, the pink foil with the pink, what is this? It looked like a little ombre with the rose gold bows. Then we have another ombre that's the purplish tealish color. It might be blue, but it looks purplish kind of tealish with the rose gold bows. Then we have, this is like, I guess it can be kind of like the desert print, kind of with the rose gold line. So we have that. Then you guys look at this. We have the cacti sticky notes. They always have pretty sticky notes. Oh, and look at these. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Oh, let's open this up. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this pocket, you guys. Oh my gosh. It almost looked like a dream catcher. I love dream catchers and butterflies. So that is pretty. Oh, we have a washi card. So I will be putting this washi card, since it matched my new setup that I'm going to be doing in my Foxy Fix. And also look at this. Oh my God, isn't that pretty? That is adorbs. So Simply Gilded never disappoint. You know, she come with it. Definitely. And look at the journaling card. Poke. Okay, poke with the cacti flower. And then we have the sticker sheet. Let's see what we have going on here. Okay. We have the, oh, these are made different. Oh, these are not like the hard cardboard type that they have. Now, I may like this because I did tell them that I didn't, when I did my little survey, that I didn't like the cardstock ones. But look at these. Aren't these cute? Water, self-care, grow, feed me. That is cute. Then we have the sticker sheet. We have the full boxes, the checklist. Oh my God. This feels like, oh my gosh, she changed the paper. Feels like vinyl. So maybe I will be keeping the stickers. I'm gonna do a plan with me with these because I like the quality of these stickers, but we shall see. And this is my Simply Gilded box. I just received it today. I love it as usual. And I will leave a link to this subscription below. Well, a link to her website. I think you have to sign up for the subscription box. And again, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about my little channel. And if you are interested in joining my little family and want to be a part of Trickaplans, hit that subscribe button. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. It's the red button. And then also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. I will be looking forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!